So I gave my resignation letter to see if it works, and then they accepted it. So today is my last day at office. So yeah, and then I'll be leaving Dubai to back to Sri Lanka. I'm doing it for a lot of reasons, a lot of unexplainable reasons. Anyways, no point talking about it, no point talking about the past. Let's live in the present. Time for a quick office tour.
Away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you.
This is actually the saddest walk home. I'm on my way home now, just left office. As you can see, that's the building. So that's about it. See you Dubai. Hello Sri Lanka.
I don't wanna stay with you, just have to leave. If it isn't meant to be, still be here eternally. I don't wanna say goodbye, I just arrived. If it isn't meant to be, I'll still be here eternally.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Sri Lanka International Airport, Colombo.